Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this yoga drills class. We're going to work on some drills to improve your twists today. This is a really important strength and flexibility that you want to keep with you for your whole life. So let's get started from a comfortable seated position. On a long deep breath in, let's lift the rib cage up out of the pelvic bowl. And then as you exhale, let's just drop over to the right side. And what I want you to do now is sweep the left arm. We'll just hold it there and give me 5 breaths here, and just warming up that lateral stretch, and then we'll warm up the twist next for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now roll and twist the rib cage, gazing past the right fingertips, and hold. And we've got 1, 2, 3, almost there, 4, 5. Inhale back to the center and exhale immediately over to the other side. Sweep the arm and we'll just lean right over. Nice. We've got 1, 2, 3. Noticing the differences between one side and the other. 4 and 5. Now roll through the rib cage and looking just out past the left fingers. And we've got 1, 2, 3, keep twisting a little bit, 4, and 5. Take your right hand down, the left hand down, and inhale, we'll come over onto the hands and knees. Now, let's do a little cat and cow, just to get a little mobility in the body. Inhale a long, deep breath in, and then exhale, let's round. 2 more, inhale a long, deep breath in, and exhale, let's round. 1 more, inhale a long, deep breath in. Exhale, let's round. All right, let's press down through the left hand. Inhale, draw the right arm up. We're going for thread the needle in just a moment. We're doing it as a drill. So I want you to exhale, reach it all the way under. Take that left hand a little bit forward. Press, inhale, let's bring it up. Exhale, swing it down. Bring it back. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, twist, spiral, reach. 2 more like this. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist, spiral, reach. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist, spiral, reach, and let's hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale back to the center. Let's prepare to switch the sides. Inhale, lift, stay there, reach, 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 spiraling through the rib cage. Exhale, twist, spiral, reach, bring the hand down. Inhale, lift, exhale, twist, spiral, reach. Inhale, lift, exhale, twist, spiral, reach. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist, spiral, reach. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist, spiral, reach, and hold. 1. Maximize the twist. 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Let's bring it back. All right, now inhale, find your way up to downward facing dog. We'll stay here. We've got 1, 2, 3, steady, 4, and 5. Now let's twist out our dog. So we're going to do twisted dog. Drop the right knee and point both toes to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back to the center. Let's switch the sides. Bend the left knee, then twist your feet and bring your pelvis over to the left side. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale back to the center. Switch the gaze forward. Cross your feet. And then exhale, let's sit down. All right, now keeping the strength and the flexibility. Inhale, find your way up to Navasana. Let's hold it there. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, set it down. And now we're going to practice the strength of the twists. Inhale, exhale, touch the floor onto the right side. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, touch the floor, left side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. One more each side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Come back to the center. Cross your feet. Inhale, pick it up. Exhale, set it down. Now, Navasana. We try a little different this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. And back to the center. Hold on to the big toes. Balance. 1, 2, 3. Steady. 4, 5. Cross your feet. Inhale, we pick it up. Exhale, set it down. Separate the feet. We take reverse tabletop. Release the front of the hip. Inhale, send it up and forward. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, set it down. Straighten the left leg. Close the right knee joint and give me a hug in. And we'll hold it here. Ground your sitting bones a little bit. And we'll stay 2, 3. Just feeling the femur dropping into its socket a little bit. Stabilizing that left leg. 4. And 5. Now you might know this posture as Marichasana C, but I don't want you to try to execute the posture in the classical way. Instead, draw the navel in, extend the arms. Inhale, wrap, reach, open. Back to the center. Again, lean back, fold with the twist, articulate, reach, and back to the center. One more time like this. Fold around, press back with the left shoulder, open and stay. 1. Come a little forward. 2, 3, almost there. 4, 5, and back to the center. Stretch out that right leg, and now let's see if we can fold the left knee, and if you need your hands, bring the hands. Otherwise, let's just immediately hug. 1, 2, 3, settle that left femur into its socket a little bit, stabilizing with the right leg. 4, almost there. Draw the navel a little bit in. 5. Now we're using both the lateral stretch and the spinal twist. So we're going to try to articulate that dynamically. We lean a little back, lateral stretch, and twist. Inhale, back to the center. Reach. Inhale, exhale, twist, extend. Inhale, and back to the center. Let's just do 2 more. Inhale, reach, open, twist, back to the center. Last one. Inhale, reach, open, twist, hold. 1, 2, 3. Press a little with the right arm. 4. Both sitting bones down. 5. Inhale, back to the center. Let's take the blocks. Cross your feet. Inhale, let's pick it up. Let's hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, let's set it down. Nice. Move your blocks on over to the side. Now, let's work from a straddle position. If you can't do a straddle, then you can bring it into a little bit of a V shape, but as far apart as your legs are will accentuate the twisting action. Inhale, extend the arms, breathe. 1, 2, keep it steady. 3, 4, almost there. 5, we're going to do a slightly different twist on this one. You're going to take your hand to the inside edge, reach, 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 and then open twists. If it's comfortable for you, you'll switch, hand on the outside, an open twist. So not a closed twist, but an open twist. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's try the other side and bring it up. Exhale over. We can start on the inside. If it's comfortable for you, switch to the outside and open twist. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, let's bring it up. Exhale immediately over to the right side again. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, over to the left side. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, over. Make sure you open twist when you're down. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, open twist. One more each side. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, over, open twists. Inhale, let's bring it up. Exhale, over, open twists. And back to the center. Extend the arms. Let's reach up. 1, 2, 3. That's good. Keep breathing. 4 and 5. Exhale down. Let's cross the legs. Come back to the center and draw the navel a little bit in. Find the breath. Find that connection inward. Very good. A long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's come on back. All right, so we're gonna stop there for these twisting drills. See how your body feels when you apply this dynamic flexibility work into your practice. If you enjoyed these yoga drills, I want to invite you to join me on OmStars, where I'm doing a yoga drills training where you get to learn how to structure your own yoga drills and get to understand what this methodology that I've designed is really all about. So click the link below if you want some more information, and I'd love to see you on my channel, OmStars.